Hi students, welcome to next session. In previous session, exercise 9.3, we completed up to 19 questions. Now we will continue next question. The sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Their geometric mean means GM. Show that numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Numbers in the ratio is nothing but a is to b. If you take suppose a and b, if you take x comma y, x is to y, we need to show in this ratio. So we don't know the two numbers. Let us take a comma b are two numbers. Given sum of two numbers a plus b is equal to 6 times of their geometric mean. So geometric mean is nothing but root AB. So that is a plus b equal to 6 into root AB. Geometric mean of a and b is root AB. Now this you can take equation 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. A plus b whole square is equal to 36. Root AB whole square is AB. Square root cancel off. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. Expand that. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 36 will send here. Minus 36ab equal to 0. So a square plus b square plus 2 and minus 36 minus 34ab is equal to 0. So a square plus b square minus 34 I will write minus 2ab minus 32ab is equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 32 minus 34 only. Now it is converted into a minus b whole square form. A minus b whole square equal to this minus 32 will send right side 32ab. Now square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. So square root on both sides. Left side root will be 2 will be cancelled off. A minus b equal to square root over 32ab. A minus b equal to root 32 value 4 root 2. 4 if you send inside 16 into 2, 32 root ab. Now take equation 2. So one time add equation 1 and 2 and another time subtract equation 1 and 2. First I will do equation 1 plus equation 2. So left side a plus b plus a minus b is equal to right side value 6 root ab plus 4 root 2 root AB. So here plus B minus B cancel. A plus A, 2A is equal to, from this 2 I will take common, 3 root AB plus 2 root 2 root AB. 2 cancel. A equal to root AB I will take common. Otherwise here only you can take 2 root AB common. 3 plus 2 root 2, that is A value. Next subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2 comma we get subtract values. A plus B minus of A minus B is equal to 6 root AB minus 4 root 2 root AB. So minus A plus A cancel, minus or minus plus, B plus B, 2B equal to, I will take 2 root AB common, 3 minus 2 root 2 cancel, B equal to root AB into 3 minus 2 root 2. Now is asking ratio. Therefore numbers of ratio is A is to B. So A value and B value substitute, that is root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2 is to root AB into 3 minus 2 root 2. So root AB cancel, is to is nothing but division. So finally 3 plus root 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Is asking show that numbers in this ratio. Okay, that we proved. So next question. Next one, if A capital A and G capital G be AM and GM respectively, between two positive numbers, or numbers, prove that the numbers are A plus or minus root over A plus G into A minus G. So if capital A and capital G are arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two numbers, then prove that A plus or minus that expression. So first we need to take two positive numbers. Let alpha comma beta are two positive numbers. Given A equal to, capital A equal to AM of alpha and beta. So two numbers arithmetic mean is summation divided by 2. So a equal to alpha plus beta by 2. So from this alpha plus beta equal to 2a. Next g equal to gm of alpha and beta. Two numbers arithmetic geometric mean is root ab, like that g equal to root alpha beta. So squaring on both sides, alpha beta equal to g square. Now whenever roots we know, sum of the roots and product of the roots we know, the required quadratic equation formula we know it. So therefore required quadratic equation is sum and product we know, formula is x square minus of summation of roots into x plus product of the roots alpha beta is equal to 0. X square summation of the roots we got 2ax plus product of the roots g square is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c form. So write the solution. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. To find the solution of quadratic equation, this is the formula. Here a is 1, b value minus 2a, c value g square. These all three values substitute here. X equal to minus b, already minus is there, minus or minus plus 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 2a whole square is 4a square minus 4, a value 1, c value g square by 2a. 2. From this 2 I will take common, a plus or minus root over root 4 if you take out 2. So a square minus g square by 2 cancel. So finally x equal to a plus or minus root over a square minus g square. That we can write a plus or minus root over, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a plus g into a minus g. He is asking to prove this one only. Next question. If am and gm of roots of a quadratic equation are 8 and 5 respectively, then obtain the quadratic equation. So roots is given, then what is the quadratic equation is asking. Roots of am and gm is given. So let us take alpha comma beta are roots of quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. Next, am of the two numbers is 8, gm of the two numbers is 5 is given. So given am is 8, that is alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to, am means arithmetic mean, a plus b by 2 formula. Then alpha plus beta equal to 16. Summation we got. Next, gm of alpha and beta is 5, that is root alpha beta equal to 5. Geometric mean of AB is root AB. So squaring on both sides, alpha beta equal to 25. So therefore, required quadratic equation is formula x square minus summation of the roots into x means alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. We know summation of the roots value and product of the roots value. Substitute directly. X square minus 16x plus 25 equal to 0. This is required quadratic equation. With that, 9.3 exercise completed. Generally, next topic regarding series will be there. That topic this year deleted. That's I don't want to discuss. Next, I will continue the miscellaneous examples. So next, miscellaneous examples. So in that first one, if P, Q, R and S terms of an AP are in GP, then show that P minus Q, Q minus R minus S are also in GP. Here 4 terms is given. These 4 terms and AP are in GP. So along with arithmetic progressions, the terms are also in GP. Then show that these are in GP. Now TP, P term of an AP, A plus P minus 1 into D. TQ, A plus Q minus 1 into D. TR, A plus R minus 1 into D. TS, A plus S minus 1 into D. They given these terms an AP also in GP. Given TP, TQ, TR and TS also in GP. So the terms in GP, if you apply for first these three, ratios are equal. Second term by first term is equal to third term by second term. So TQ by TP is equal to TR by TQ. So second term divided by first term is equal to third term divided by second term. Common ratios. Ratios are equal. From this implies calculate TQ minus TR divided by TP minus TQ. We can calculate these values. TQ A plus Q minus 1 into D minus TR A plus R minus 1 into D divided by TP minus TQ A plus P minus 1 into D minus TQ A plus Q minus 1 into D. Simplify that. A plus QD minus D minus A minus RD minus D into minus plus D divided by A P into D minus D minus A minus QD minus D into minus plus D. Now which and all cancel? Plus A minus A cancel. Minus D plus D cancel. Here also plus A minus A cancel. Minus D plus D cancel. From this I will take D is common. Q minus R divided by, here I will take D common, P minus Q. So D cancel. Q minus R divided by P minus Q. So next these two I will take, these three will take. First these three and next these three. Also in GP we will apply same thing. Similarly TR divided by TQ is equal to TS divided by TR. We can prove same manner. TR minus TS divided by TQ minus TR will lead directly. Similarly same proof you can follow. So whenever TQ minus TR by TP minus TQ, we got Q minus R by P minus Q. Same manner R minus S divided by Q minus R will get. Similarly same proof we can do it. Now therefore this ratio and equation 2, take it from 1 and 2. So this is also ratio, it is also ratio. Because of GP, ratios are equal. From 1 and 2, Q minus R divided by P minus Q is equal to R minus S divided by Q minus R. Cross multiply. Q minus R whole square equal to P minus Q into R minus S. It is in the form of B square equal to AC. Then it is in GP. Hence P minus Q, Q minus R minus S are in GP. He is asking to prove the terms in GP. We prove same manner. Next example, if A, B, C are in GP and A power 1 by x is equal to B power 1 by y is equal to C power 1 by z. Prove that x comma y comma z are in GP. So it is important problem. They given A, B, C are in GP and this is the expression. All these values are equal in the sense we will have some constant value. So let us take A power 1 by x is equal to B power 1 by y. Here question x, y, z are in AP. Sorry, it's not in GP. X, y, z are in AP we need to prove. Okay, A power 1 by x plus B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z equal to take some constant because everything is equal. Now A power 1 by x equal to k. A power 1 by x equal to k. Then A is k power x. 1 by x will send right side, k power x. Same manner B power 1 by y equal to k. Then B value k power y. Next C power 1 by z equal to k. C equal to k power z. They given ABC are in GP. Given A, B, C are in GP. So ABC and GP condition is B square equal to AC. Otherwise B equal to root AC. B value is what? K power y. K power y whole square equal to A value k power x, C value k power z. This we can write k power 2y. A power m whole power n, A power mn. So here right side base is same, power should be added. K power x plus z. Now here base are same thing, powers also equal because of equality. Therefore 2y equal to x plus z, then y equal to x plus z by 2. We have the formula ABC are in AP, B equal to A plus C by 2. Same manner, hence x comma y comma z are in AP. From above the expression we can say these three terms in arithmetic progression. So next example, if P, Q, R small letters are in GP and the equations px square plus 2qx plus r equal to 0 and dx square plus 2ex plus f equal to 0 have a common root. Then show that d by p comma e by q comma f by r are in AP. So these three terms, in terms of the AP, we need to prove these three. For that, they given condition for these two quadratics having the common root along with PQR and GP is given. First, given P comma Q comma R in GP. So three terms in GP, middle term square, Q square equal to PR. Let's take equation 1. Next take the first equation. So given quadratic equation, px square plus 2qx plus r equal to 0. Find the solution. X equal to minus b minus 2q plus or minus square root of b square 4q square minus 4ac 4p c value r divided by 2a means 2p. X equal to minus 2q plus or minus square root of 4 q square we can write pr minus 4pr divided by 2p since q square equal to pr. In place of q square we can take it as pr because pqr and gp. Now these two 0. X equal to minus 2q plus or minus 0 divided by 2p. So minus 2q by 2p minus minus cancel, x equal to minus q by p we got. This is the solution of px square plus 2qx plus r equal to 0. They said for both equations have the common root, means it is also solution of dx square plus 2ex plus f equal to 0. So given both quadratic equations have common root, that is x equal to minus q by p. So these x values substitute in the second quadratic equation. So substitute x equal to minus q by p in dx square plus 2ex plus f equal to 0. So wherever x is there, substitute minus q by p. D into minus q by p whole square plus 2e into x minus q by p plus f equal to 0. Simplify that. D q square by p square plus into minus minus 2e q by p plus f is equal to 0. Next, dividing divide this equation 2, already one we taken, divide equation 2 by equation 2 by pq square. Divide pq square. Here before going to the equation, take the LCM. LCM of this equation, q square p square is LCM, dq square minus 2e pq plus fp square equal to 0. Now in place of q square, we know q square is pr from pqr in gp. Write in place of q square pr. Okay, remaining terms write as it is. Then the whole equation divide with pq square. Whole equation divide with pq square. Now this equation divided by pq square, this one divided by pq square, and this one divided by pq square will get like this. Again, in terms of the q square, write pr. In terms of the q square, write pr. Then we'll get rr cancel, pp cancel, d by p minus 2e by q plus f by r equal to 0. This minus value send right side. 2e by q equal to d by p plus f by r. Now these three terms in arithmetic progression, 2b equal to a plus c. So therefore d by p comma e by q and f by r are in AP. So here we need to take 2 times q square equal to pr here and here and simplify that. With this example, the sequence and series chapter completed. Thank you.